The living will and advanced medical directives. No one likes to think about what bad things might happen in the future. Unfortunately, bad things do happen, and most often when least expected. It's a part of life, and a good reason why it's so important to be prepared for whatever, just in case. Being prepared means different things depending on what you're preparing for. For instance, if you ever become incapacitated, who would you want to make critical healthcare decisions on your behalf? I know, it's hard to think this way, but consider what the consequences would be if you don't at least consider the possibilities. Accidents and illnesses can come out of nowhere, and if they do, you'll be prepared, and your wishes will be known in advance. A living will and advance directives is a must-have document. Getting this legal document done once and for all empowers you to take responsibility for directing what actions you want to be taken by medical professionals if you're ever unable to make decisions on your own. This legal document is often referred to as pull the plug or don't pull the plug. Who likes to think about something like this? Nobody, that's who. With our living will and advance directives document, you have several options to choose from based on your preferences. For example, would you want resuscitation to be put on life support? Would you want food and liquids artificially administered? Would you want emergency transport? Would you want your doctor to prioritize pain relief versus prolonging your life? If you're a female and pregnant, would you want a no life support order to be ignored if there's a chance to save the baby? As difficult as it is, these are important things to consider. However, making these decisions today doesn't mean you can't change them down the road. You can always make changes. There's no reason to be concerned about how you feel today versus how you might feel later in life. Why do you need this document? Simply because you would never want to put family members in a position to have to make decisions for you. You don't want that day to ever come. There are numerous court cases where families couldn't agree, leading to long legal battles, expensive legal fees, and mass public exposure. The Terry Schiavo case is just one example that made national news. Having your living will in place means you can enjoy the peace of mind knowing that you're prepared.